Welcome to the Lofoten Islands. I am here in a place called Leknes, and it took hold for sound. I'm here in the Lofoten Islands in a city called Leknes. Well, I flew into Leknes. I guess I'm in a city called Ballstad. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, probably not. Anyways, 4 flights to get here. I am beyond exhausted. I left on a Thursday at 4 p.m. and now it's freaking Saturday at noon. I'm so tired, but I feel like I had to pay my dues to get here. I'm staying at this place called the Hattvika Lodge. I'll show you guys my room in a second, but it's so pretty here. I think this has to be one of the prettiest places I've been to already. The lighting here is insane. You can see right now, it's been like this for like the last 2.5 hours or something like that. And yeah, I'm here for a workshop. It's a photography workshop on the Northern Lights. If you guys were watching my channel last year, you guys saw me in Colorado with super talented photographer Johan Lolos, Le Backpacker. I'll put his link in the description and show you guys in this video. He's doing a workshop here with another guy who I'll put his link as well. And they're doing a photography workshop on the Northern Lights, and I told them I'd come and help out with some video stuff. So we're gonna meet a bunch of people this week. I'm really excited to be here and meet people. It's always cool to meet other people that are creative and doing stuff like this, and what not a better place to be than the Lofoten Islands. I've been wanting to come here for so long. It's ridiculously pretty here. Like, this is so sick. My Instagram this week is gonna be out of control. I feel like I need to focus on taking photos and videos, because I usually only take photos, or usually only take videos on trips, because I get so locked into video mode that I forget to take pictures. But on this trip, I'm gonna focus and try to take good stills as well. I'm like at a loss for words. Like, this is so sick. It's just incredible. Check this out. I'm gonna walk around a little bit and see if I bump into anybody else. There's a sauna up here, which looks sick. Definitely doing that. All right, guys, so this is a look at the lodge I'm gonna be staying in the next week here in the Lofoten Islands. The name of this place is the Hattvika Lodge. And yeah, this is my little room. I'm just in this room by myself. It's pretty cool. It's kind of got like this modern design going, and the owner's super nice. I think that he's been doing this for the last couple years, and most of these rooms are pretty new. So yeah, check it out. So sick. And then of course, the best part is this view. Check that out. So insanely epic. Snow. I'm just cruising around right now, the area around the lodge, looking for a little cafe. It's not quite as cold as I thought. I think it's around 0 degrees Celsius or like 32 Fahrenheit. So it's pretty cold, but it's not like crazy. But I think tonight, if we get a chance to shoot the Northern Lights, which is what we're here for, it'll probably be really cold if it's windy too. So sick though. I need to stop saying that. I need to come up with some more eloquent words to describe this experience, because in the past everyone says that all I say and my friends say, Jay used to say, is it's sick, it's epic. Yeah, this is cool. There's not really anybody out right now. I guess it's because it's cold. Cool. This I support. This colored house situation is good. Taking a picture of that's gonna be on my Instagram probably in the next week, if it isn't already on there. That's sick. Alright guys, the day has come to an end. I am so exhausted at this point. I've been up for like 3 days on my way to get here. I feel like I've seen evenings and the sunset 3 times at this point. So tired. I'm gonna sleep super well tonight, depending on if we end up going out for Northern Lights. I am doing these videos real time, so I'm gonna go inside right now and edit together and publish this vlog tonight, which I've never really done before. Usually I'm kind of like a perfectionist, and on this trip I just kind of want to have fun and get creative and just upload stuff. If you guys want to follow along real time, I am using Instagram story a lot, Mike_Dewey. Check that out. And yeah, really excited about being in Lofoten Islands. It's so pretty here. So crazy pretty here. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy. I think tomorrow we're gonna see a lot of really cool stuff. I already know it's like gonna blow my mind. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking around, and I will see you guys tomorrow.